Yes.
I'm from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Bidar.
Okay.
My topic is Pepperfry.
Okay. What Pepperfry does?
Pepperfry is an online.
Yeah, speak. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, speak. Continue. Not an issue.
Okay, sir.
You continue. Yeah, you can speak, I told.
हाँ sir. Pepperfry is India's #1 online furniture,
Okay.
and the contents are what is Pepperfry, founders, history, investment and companies, competitors, website, Studio Pepperfry, interesting facts of Pepperfry, and conclusion, sir.
Wonderful.
Next, what is Pepperfry? Pepperfry is India's #1 online furniture. Next, Pepperfry.com opened for business on 3rd January 2012. The company was founded in November 2011. It is a honest and spice that is proudly Indian. Fry stands for fun, and it offers more than 1.2 lakh products to choose from across various categories such as furniture, decor, lamps and lighting, kitchen, housekeeping, hardware, and etc. Sir.
Okay.
The founders of Pepperfry, Ambarish Murthy, was the former country manager
Okay.
uh, from March 2008 to June 2011. From December 2005 to Feb 2008, he was the director of marketplace development and user experience.
Okay.
And Ashish was also former head of sales and operations at eBay Motors.
Mm-hmm.
He completed his college from Savitri Pune University.
Okay.
Kashyap Vadapalli was the chief marketing officer at eBay India and has had a prior stints at Google and Tata Interactive Systems in marketing and business development.
See, all of the people are not civil engineers, are related to interiors also. They are from computer science and other domain. They are coming and they have started nice business. This is the point you should note. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Next, history. The journey started in November 2011 when two friends Ambarish Murthy and Ashish Shah come up with the idea of launching an online furniture store. Both shared common goals and they wanted to provide a more convenient way to people to shop for furniture and other home needs.
Okay.
Pepperfry was over 4.5 million registered user across the country. Next, investment and companies. Next slide, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Pepperfry is a well-founded startup and has received 156 million through 5 rounds of founding. Recently on
Funding means
10th,
foreigners or the investors, somebody other people apart from this company, they are funding for this company. Okay, to run the business.
okay, sir. Recently on 10th February 2020, Pepperfry raised funding worth 40 million from Pidilite to Industries, which is famous adhesive maker Fevicol.
On that day, we have
So,
conducted a program on waterproofing also. Na? From that Pidilite
yes,
agency
sir.
only came. Na? They are into
Yes,
not
sir.
only into adhesive, but into so many verticals. They are into interiors also. They are into
Oh,
waterproofing also, chemicals also.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Goldman Sachs led 100 million round in the company along with Norwest and uh, Bertelsmann in 2015, followed on by an additional 210 crore in 2016. In May last year, Pepperfry raised 250 crore from State Street Global Advisors.
Okay.
Next, competitors. These companies are competing with Pepperfry company. Next, website and logo. These two are. This is a logo of the company. Next, Studio Pepperfry. It has been conceived as an experience zone for customers who are looking for enhancing their living spaces, in addition to being the largest furniture retailer in the country. And Studio Pepperfry forms an integral part of the brand strategy. Studio Pepperfry showcases a curated range of furniture from Pepperfry's online portfolio, and services as a design inspiration for customers. In Studio Pepperfry, customers can feel the furnitures. They can touch, and they can feel the furniture. Uh, these are some pics of Studio Pepperfry. Next, interesting facts of Pepperfry. Pepperfry received the Red Herring Asia Top 100 Award in 2010, which showcased the most promising private technology ventures from Asia. The band also won the Pure Play Retailer of the Year on 2014 at the Indian Retailer. Next, Pepperfry also won the most prestigious Gold Award at the Neons for Best Creative for the category at retail advertising in its outdoor company Happy Furniture to You. It won the Pure Play E-Retailer of the Year at the Indian Retailer Congress 2014 that recognized outstanding performance and innovation in retail.
You got it now. By doing this presentation, you understand how much the company is big and how they are in online and offline and all. And a lot of
Yes, sir.
customers see everybody who is investing in the home, they are looking for good furnitures. So the engineers, the people who are in interior design should know who are the people working in this industry, how the competition is there, and who are giving good products and all, latest designs, everything you should know. That's the one objective. Okay, good
Okay, sir.
presentation. And next